Hello, welcome to question number 2B, BECE 2025. We are to evaluate 4,000 times 0.35 divided by 0.05, leaving our answer in the standard form. This is an operation on decimal numbers. So you can see the first number is a whole number. So we are going to maintain that. Let's repeat the question. So if you are doing this, repeating this one will be the same, 4,000. Then we transform this into two parts, a whole number part and the indices part, meaning transfer the point until we get a whole number, 1, 2. So that means I have 3, 5 as 35, which is a whole number, times 10 exponent a number, which is going to be the number of times you are moving. But as you transfer the point from left to right, you are dealing with a negative number. How many times you transfer is 2 times. So this is done in a way that we can easily divide or multiply when we are in the whole number part. Then this will be divided by 5 as a whole number, 10, 1, 2, negative 2. Negative for the movement to the right, 2 for the number of times you are moving. So now you can now divide, or better still, cancel. So you can see 5 is a factor of 35. 5 will go into this place, 7. That's the only whole numbers we have. Then the indices part will also perform the laws of indices. When you are dividing the same base, you subtract the exponent. So now 4,000 times 7 will give you 4728. Then the 3 zeros will come, times 10 exponent negative 2 in the case of this, then minus negative 2. Remember, the same base. So we subtract the exponent. First minus the second one. Divided by 1. And the 1 will not have any effect on this. So now what do we do? This becomes positive. Minus 2 plus 2. That will be 0. Meaning, I should be having 2, 8, 3 zeros, 10 exponent 0. But we know that 10 exponent 0 equals what? 1. So this will not change. This will be the answer, but we are leaving the answer in the standard form, which is a form where we have a point b times 10 exponent n. A point b as in b is a number between 0 and what? 10. So 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And this number is bigger than that. So we transfer the point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. The n is 4 times. But it becomes positive because we are moving from right to left. So this is going to be 2.8 times 10 exponent 4. No negative because we are moving from right to left. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are stopping here because 2 here is the A, which is a number between 0 to 9. 0 to 9, right? No, between 0 and 10, or from 1 to 9. All right, that's the concept we have here. So this becomes your final answer if you are writing this in the standard form. All right, I believe you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.